to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news. Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2026, here at the WyreStorm booth and joined by Voislav. How are you? How has your InfoComm been?
Very busy, very tired, but also excited to be here and show all the fancy features that we have.
Absolutely. This is a really cool and interesting InfoComm for you guys. And you're someone who works in product development. So tell me a little bit about paying attention to trends that are happening in the market. How do you decide, oh, we need a product that can address this trend versus this is just a buzzword, we don't need to pay attention to that?
So what we do is we always like to listen to our customers. So what we have, all our product managers, they talk to customers regularly. So they know what kind of projects they're working on, what kind of challenges they have, and we are trying to solve their problems, to see what kind of challenges they face on a certain project, and then we're trying to fill that gap that they are missing. So
Absolutely.
we're constantly doing that through reports. We're reviewing all these features, and we are trying to find just a niche product that can solve multiple problems at once.
Absolutely. What kind of challenges are your customers seeing in the market right now, and how are you helping address them?
So right now, the biggest challenge is to follow so many new technologies. For example, I would take a USB. So USB, and especially USB-C, is becoming more and more popular. You will see
Absolutely.
it, especially in this, in our booth, you will see it everywhere. In AV over IP, in presentation switcher, education, all the verticals.
The meeting room.
Yes, and the problem they're facing is that if you have too many jumps from one product to another, you will have a problem where you will your devices will just not work because
Yes, because there's too many hops.
Too many hops. So how we are trying to solve that problem is that we constantly educate them, but we also provide the information how many hops our devices is gonna take. So this is just an example how we trying to provide the information how to solve the problems and challenges that our customers.
Do you think as a manufacturer it is just as important to sell product as it is to educate?
Yeah, of course. That's why we really invest in a training. We have right now, like today, we just launched our new control system training, where people can go there, register today, and for free they will get a course to learn how to control and how to create the really nice control system.
Absolutely. So what else are you seeing in the market right now? What trends are you paying attention to?
So right now we are trying to build on top of hybrid. So the trend right now, what we think is not to build a single box that has everything, but to make pieces that clients will take and create the whole solution.
Like the last piece of the puzzle.
Exactly. So usually that's the trend right now. That's why we are offering boxes, converters, small things that you can put together and flexibly create the whole solution, the whole system.
Absolutely. In terms of integrators, a trend that I have seen a lot is they want like very easy deployment these days. Are you seeing that is just as important as technical specifications or kind of equal?
Yes. Out of the box is a solution that we want to offer. And I think WyreStorm was and is still a manufacturer that provides an easy use. Network HD is the really example. So with our Network HD, with our Touch app, you don't have to configure anything. You don't have to program anything. Just download the app and you're good to go. It will just work. And that trend we are trying to also deliver in other verticals. So easy deploy, out-of-box solutions that it just works.
What are the most important verticals that you're focusing on right now?
Especially in US, core from business has been a big part of our portfolio, but also corporate and education. We are showcasing it this year, which is really important part of the market right now.
Awesome. Well, Zach, thank you so much for your time. Where can we find more about WyreStorm?
Well, always WyreStorm.com website, you can find all the information about it, and also Support Hub. So if you Google Support Hub, you will be able to go there, register, and get all the information from our site.
Awesome. Zach, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ben.
Don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett. We'll see you next time. Bye.